Target in such a way that prospect is Clark Kent or Gangadhar, and the feature are powers that they gather, and then the prospect with the features of your product will become a client, and the client is a Superman or the Shaktiman, you want to say. Ways to make your email subscribers get addicted to you. Right now, you may not be getting some open rates, click rates, or whatever metric you're looking for. You are not getting that, and that's why you're watching this video. And this video will basically help you to get your email subscribers addicted to you. That means they'll open the email again and again and again, provided that you are providing value. If you're not providing value in your emails, nobody will open them, no matter how many tactics you use. But you're providing your value, but subscribers are not opening or clicking or doing the stuff you want. Then basically these four ways can help you a lot. So the first way, open loop. So our brain does not like to have questions in the mind, right? If it's get any questions, it tries to solve them as soon as possible. Now, telling people is not just enough. You need to leave them with curiosity so that they open your next email. Now, if open rate goes up, then close the loop in content. So this is how it happens, right? You have a subject line which creates curiosity in the person's mind, so that's an open loop. Something is opened, right? Now the person clicks on the email, the content acts as a closed loop, but the content creates an open loop for the next content, right? So it happens like that, right? So that means the subject acts as an open loop, content closed loop plus new open loop. Then let's say you want to click them and send them to a landing page. So landing page is the closed loop, but let's say the landing page is a webinar. So the webinar, so the landing page acts as an open loop for the webinar, and that's how it happens: open, close, open, close, open, close, right? The last closed loop that happens is on the sale, and when you deliver the product, you create new open loop so that you can upsell. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. If you can play this open loop and closed loop game like a pro, your email subscribers will be addicted to you, I can guarantee that. The second is Superman principle, or you can also call Shaktiman principle, which is talk about what people want to hear. Your reader needs to be the hero of the copy. Too many of us are using selfish stories in our emails, which is a big problem, right? You need to talk about what people want to hear. Your reader has some problems, has some desires, talk about them and make them the hero of the email or whatever you are sending to them, right? So talk it in such a way that prospect is Clark Kent or Gangadhar, and the feature are powers that they gather, and then the prospect with the features of your product will become a client, and the client is a Superman or the Shaktiman, you want to say, right? So this is how it happens. The prospect right now at what its position is, he is the Gangadhar or the Clark Kent. But if you can somehow showcase them a story that how these features been added into your life, you'll become the Shaktiman or you'll become the Superman. They'll buy the product immediately, right? Now, CPTS rule, that means color, pattern, texture, shine, color. Try to give visuals in your email, right? Instead of saying save money, you can say save a little green. It gives the same message, but you'll remember save a little green. It gives the image in your mind, right? Pattern, two big lines and then one short line. This is an example for pattern to create in your emails. When you have a pattern, it's an easy readable format. Then comes texture, punctuations, symbols, emojis can add texture, right? When you see a paragraph which is just only words and you see a paragraph with emojis, words, spaces, then you are more likely to read the second one because it has a structure in it. And the third is shine, aligning the content. Just imagine there's a paragraph where the first line is um, right centric, the second is left centric, then there's a center one, then there's a two word line, and then there's a brick of paragraph. It does not look good. You need to align your content which creates shine. Always remember CPTS: color, pattern, texture, shine. And the last is even if technique. That means desirable outcome plus even if technique plus objection. So this is what you need to do. Let's say you are asking them to click on the link to book your book, let's say a call. right? That's your thing. Now there are some objections that your prospects are having in mind due to which they are not clicking to book the call. You need to list down those objections first, right? Make a list of all the objections. After that, what answer would you give to that objection? Write all of them down. Done. Now this is what you need to do, right? Put the desirable outcome. If you want to get clients, desirable outcome, sorry, get clients even if you don't know sales, right? Book the call even if you don't have a single penny in your pocket. You got my point, right? Put the objections so that people feel that these objections are cleared and they want the desirable outcome anyways, and they'll book the call, right? So these are, according to me, the 4 techniques that can be used a lot. Watch this video twice if you didn't get it, right? Take notes, and thanks for watching.
Now मेरे भाई, if you liked this conversation and this video, I'm 100% sure you like different videos of mine as well. Now don't subscribe to the channel. Go to my channel, check out all the videos. If you find value, then click on the subscribe button and the notification icon.